Here we go. Midnight riding here in the desert. Crystal has her map on. Let me catch her just to make sure she's going the right way. There's still 5 of us, and we're gonna catch the Milky Way somehow. But a very nice starry night. Let's look for some Milky Way, guys. That's what being out in the desert is all about. How many lumens is your light again? Damn, 3200, yeah. Oh, and what is that, 32? 5,000. What is that? 13,000? Holy shit, that's bright. Damn. It's good that we have Martin, because I only have my headlamp today, which is just a little 1,000. She's going fast. Crystal's driving fast. Alright, let's catch up to her a little bit. Oh, it's chilly. It is chilly, especially we're going this fast. She's leading us to the T-Rex spot where we're going to be having a good composition and having Mark take astrophotography for us for sure. And thankfully Mark is with us because he brought his SLR camera. Without him, we would be screwed. We wouldn't be seeing the Milky Way. So thank God for that. Turn your lights off. I want to see. Oh, you still have your regular surron lights, huh? I want to see how pitch black it is. Oh yeah, that's dark. I can't see a thing. Okay, never mind. Yeah, but you could definitely see the stars. It's gonna be a nice one. Like it's not as windy as it was earlier. So I did charge up the bikes because we kind of drained them in our earlier use. You know, spent dinner, spent like camp games with these guys, and now we out here again, chasing the Milky Way. Alright, looks like we're at the Serpent again. Serpent Dragon, because Crystal led us to the Serpent. I don't know why I let her lead. I said take her to the T-Rex. But we're going to try to set up a composition here with this dragon, because we are a little bit early, and we'll let Mark direct astrophotography. So however you want to face, as long as you're facing southeast. Like, I remember the bikes are really good to like, you know, to play around with, because they stay very still, composition-wise. It's only 11:40. It's showing this way. You have to point your camera that way. This is the where you would face it. Okay. However you want to play around with this, but that's the Milky Way time lapse. Alrighty, E-Crew, we spent about an hour and a half here taking some pictures. A little hazy day today, but it showed up a little bit. It showed up. The Milky Way is visible to our naked eye. Believe it or not, it's right there, right above us. Well, we're heading back to the Airbnb, but first we're gonna take campsite. We're gonna go to the campsite where Kevin is. That guy's amazing. He drove his bike here from Diamond Bar, over 100 miles, guys, and he's camping out. We invited him to stay, but he likes to do his own thing, so we're gonna accompany him to his campsite. That's gonna be today's ride, folks. Thank you for tuning in on this amazing e-bike adventure on Anza Borrego Springs. Help out the channel by liking and subscribing. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 arielrider or a DIY Bafang kit. Today's been super amazing. Got to see the Milky Way with some friends. really good, amazing time. Introduced them some camp games and annoyed the heck out of them a little bit. But ultimately, good vibes, good friends, good times. That's it, folks. See you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm being towed. Martin, surron user, is towing me. We just got back from the campsite, and my battery finally died because it wasn't fully charged. And yeah, we just dropped off Kevin because this is his chosen campsite. He didn't want to stay with us in our Airbnb. And now Martin's towing me. That's where we are, guys. That's where we're at. I'm literally at 8%, which is practically dead. Find yourself some good buddies to go with so you're never stuck. Thank God for everyone. Mark came. Mark had his camera, saved the day. My battery died. All kinds of... I'm like a damsel in distress today. But, yeah, good buddies. That definitely makes up for it. Get out there and get yourself some e-bike buddies. Explore different towns, and go on e-bike adventures. That's going to be it, folks. See you guys in the next one. Peace.